Well, I want to talk about, topics. And one way to find a topic, okay, is to actually just go to a site, go to a magazine, go to the library, and go to the magazine rack. Go online to a news site like CNN.com, and then for the news, look through the stories. Then maybe go up to the main tabs and click to like finance or health or what, and look through the stories there. And see, what happens is often teachers will say, and I actually did this for us for a while. Hey, go pick a topic. Think about something. Come back and talk about it next week. Yeah, pick a topic. But so in other words, that would be sort of like from the top. Get the topic and then go find sources. Why don't we reverse it a little bit and let's just start with sources, and to from there extrapolate a possible topic for us to research. And some of the keys then would be the stuff that you pick from the bottom, just the particular stuff, should be interesting and suggest to you multiple ways to examine a certain broader topic, all right? So what I'm saying is this. There are topics that you can start off with like really big, like healthcare. And I'll say to you, well, that's way too big. I mean, yeah, sure, start. But quickly find something specific to study within healthcare. The insurance industry in healthcare, or the methods of therapy for war veterans or something. Okay, all right, that's narrow, right? Nightmares, interesting thing. Okay, so there's nightmares. Obviously, you see, you went health industry to treatment of nightmares, right? So you narrow it down. And then as you try to research that, you actually go down to the very specific sources, right? Well, what if